All right, this is just a quick get moving routine. So let's get started. Take about 10 minutes. Into all fours to begin. So wrists underneath the shoulders, knees underneath the hips, look down. Keep your palms facing the floor and rotate your hands. Fingertips toward the side, rotate in toward your knees as far as you can go. And grip the floor. Press your fingertips down, straight arms. Press your spine toward the ceiling. And you can just stay here, sway the shoulders over your wrists. If you can take it further, keep that grip. See about tucking your toes. Maybe just hover your knees. Maybe go up and down, lift the hips. Knees to the floor. Lift and lower. And that's optional. Just be sure you're gripping the floor. And then if you're lifting, the next time you bring the knees down, keep them down. Now, come up onto your fingertips. And I'm just turning for the camera here, but make your hands into fists. 4 fingers in your palms, thumbs outside. Bring the hands in close to your knees, to the intensity you like. The further forward you are, the more intense it'll be. Bring the backs of the hands down, press the fists toward each other, or press them together, and straighten your arms. Now maybe stay here. You can press your spine toward the ceiling and sway. But if you can take this further, keep the hands pressing like this and then sink down. Right shoulder to the floor. Come back up. Left shoulder down. Bring it up. Right shoulder down. Come back up, left shoulder down. Bring it up, right shoulder down. Come back up, left shoulder down. Bring it up, right shoulder down. Bring it up again, left shoulder down. Bring it up one more time, right shoulder down. Come back up, left shoulder down. Come up, just hold here. Hands pressing together, try to straighten your arms as much as you can. Take an inhale. And then with the exhale, just release. Come onto the fingertips down to sitting on your heels. Shake your hands out for a moment. And now that the hands are prepped, come back to all fours. So wrists underneath the shoulders and knees underneath your hips. Now pressing your palms, tuck the toes of both feet. Knees about 1 inch up off the floor, not too far. Keep your belly pulled in. And then opposite hand and opposite foot. Just crawl this to the front of the mat. Keep your chest facing down. Just go a few inches each time. And once you're taking this far forward, as you're going to go, walk backwards. Chest still facing down. Try to keep your legs at about 90 degrees. And then once you come all the way back, crawl this forward. Slow steps, opposite hand and opposite foot. All the way to the front again. And then from the front, walk back. Come back into center. And then from center, go ahead, set your knees down. Now, wrists underneath the shoulders and knees underneath the hips. Keep your spine long. Crown of the head forward, tailbone straight back. Extend your right arm straight forward and your left leg straight back and just hold. Point through the fingertips and toes. Keep your gaze down. Keep your chest facing the floor. Now take an inhale. With the exhale, squeeze this in, elbow to knee underneath. Inhale, reach. Exhale, elbow to knee. Inhale, reach. Exhale, elbow to knee. Inhale, reach. Exhale, elbow to knee again. Now inhale, reach. Exhale, elbow to knee one more time. Inhale, reach this out long and stay reaching. And then bring the right arm to your side, pin it to your side. The left leg still reaching back. Now point through the toes of the left foot and tense up the glutes on your left side. You're going to pulse that left heel higher on my count. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, on one hold. Bend your left knee, look forward, reach back with your right hand. Find your left foot. And once you have that grip, kick in your hand, pull your shoulder forward, try to bring the knee up higher. Hold your balance here, grip the floor with your left hand and breathe. Take an inhale. And then with the exhale, just release this and come down. Other side. Again, keep your spine long, keep your gaze down. And then reach your left arm forward when you're ready. Extend your right leg straight back. Now lengthen out as much as you can, keep your chest facing down, keep your gaze to the floor. And then take an inhale. Exhale, squeeze in, elbow to knee. Inhale, reach. Exhale, elbow to knee. Inhale, reach. Exhale, elbow to knee. Inhale, reach. Exhale, elbow to knee again. Inhale, reach. Exhale, elbow to knee one more time. Inhale, reach long, stay reaching like this. And then bring the left arm to your side, pin it to your side. The right leg still extended back. Now reach to the right big toe, tense up the glutes on the right side. And then pulse the right heel higher on my count. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then bend the right knee, look forward. Reach with your left hand, find the right foot. Once you have that grip, kick into your hand, try to draw the shoulder forward and bring the knee up higher. And just breathe. Take an inhale. With the exhale, release this. Both hands down, both knees down. Now go ahead, bring your legs out from underneath you. Come to a seat. And we'll set this up for a reverse tabletop. So hands behind the shoulders about shoulder width, feet in front about hips width distance apart. Fingertips forward if you can, or rotate your fingers to the sides. But press into the hands and feet. Just lift your seat up off the floor. And we'll take this up and down. So with inhale, press your hips up high, squeeze your glutes. Exhale, sink down. Inhale, up for 2. Exhale, come down. Inhale, lift for 3. Exhale, bring it down. Inhale, up for 4. Exhale, come down. Inhale, lift for 5. Exhale, come down. Inhale, lift for 6. Exhale, come down. Inhale, lift for 7. Exhale, come down. Inhale, lift for 8. Exhale, come down. Inhale, lift for 9. Exhale, come down. Inhale, lift for 10. Hold. Now you can look forward, look up, or hang your head back. But keep your glutes squeezing, keep your chest lifting, keep pressing toward the ceiling. Keep breathing here, hold the tension. And we're going to stay here. So 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back down. Shake your hands out for a moment. All right, and then from here, bring yourself all the way down onto your back. Once you're down, just squeeze your knees into your chest, pull everything in tight. And then lift your head, lift your shoulders, bring your nose close to your knees. Hands behind your head. Now keep your head lifted, fingers interlaced, palms open, elbows wide, enough pressure from your hands that you can still look forward without straining your neck. Now keep the left knee pulled in, extend your right leg high, point the toes. Straighten your leg as best you can. If you got to bend the knee, that's fine. Just keep the leg at that level of extension. Now from here, belly pulled in, low back down. Lower the right heel toward the floor, low as you can without your low back lifting. And then come back up. Right heel down for 2. Come back up. Right heel down for 3. Come back up. Right heel down for 4. Bring it up. Right heel down for 5. Come back up. Right heel down for 6. Come back up. Right heel down for 7. Come back up. Right heel down for 8. Come back up. Right heel down for 9. Come back up. Now this time, bring the right heel down as low as you can hold with your low back still on the floor. Belly pulled in, you're looking forward. And we're going to pulse through the right heel on my count. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right knee to your chest, left leg high. Point the toes to the left foot and straighten the leg as best you can. Keep looking forward with your head lifted. Now lower the left heel for 1. Come back up. Keep your low back down. Bring it down for 2. Come back up. Left heel down for 3. Come back up. Keep the right knee pulled in. Bring your left heel down for 4. Come back up. Left heel down for 5. Come back up. Left heel down for 6. Come back up. Left heel down for 7. Come back up. Left heel down for 8. Come back up. Left heel down for 9. Come back up. Left heel down for 10. Come back up. Actually, no, keep that heel down and take it to the point where you can keep your low back on the floor. Keep the legs straight. We'll pulse from the heel. So again, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Left knee to your chest. Now relax your head. Hands to knees, just squeeze down for a moment. And then lift your head, lift your shoulders, cross your ankles. Roll forward to a seat. And then once you come forward, hands to the floor, step this back to downward facing dog. And just pedal out for a moment. Now, we're not going to be here for too long, so don't get too fussy about this pose. When you're ready with an inhale, raise your right leg high behind you. And then with the exhale, just step it forward between your hands. We'll take low lunge. Now, be sure your feet on 2 separate tracks, hips width distance apart, the left heel lifted behind. When you're ready, hands to your hips. And just bring your torso all the way upright. Now, pull the left hip forward, the right hip back. Keep yourself up tall. And we're going to take this through a little sequence here, and then we'll work this into the back leg. So from your lunge, take an inhale, reach your arms up high. Now exhale, lean forward to the right foot. Put all weight to the right foot. Come forward, left foot up off the floor. This is warrior 3. Bend the right knee, left foot down. Inhale, the arms up high. Exhale, lean forward. Inhale, warrior 3. Exhale, step it down. 3 more. Inhale, arms high. Exhale, lean forward. Inhale, warrior 3. Exhale, step down. Inhale, arms high. Exhale, lean forward. Inhale, warrior 3. Exhale, step down. Inhale, arms high. Exhale, lean forward. Inhale, warrior 3. Now exhale, step down, hands to your hips. Bring your torso upright. And then bring your hands to your low back. Now interlace the fingers, palms together. Draw the shoulders back. And take this into the back leg. Bring the left knee down as low as you can, above the floor still. And just keep your gaze forward, shoulders pulled back. We're going to pulse into the left leg. So on my count, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Straighten your left leg. And hands to the floor around the right foot. Step back to down dog. Take a couple breaths. We're going to do that on the other side. So with your next inhale, raise your left leg high. With the exhale, bring it forward, left foot between your hands, low lunge. Now look at that low lunge. Make sure your feet on 2 separate tracks, hips width distance apart, right heel lifted behind. And then hands to your hips. Bring yourself all the way to upright. Right hip forward, left hip back. Be sure you got your balance. And then we'll just take it through both those sequences. So with the inhale, reach the arms up high. Exhale, lean forward, weight to the left foot. Now lift the right foot into your warrior 3, bring it forward. Bend the left knee, right foot down. Inhale, arms high. Exhale, lean forward. Inhale, warrior 3. Exhale, step down. 3 more times. Inhale, arms high. Exhale, lean forward. Inhale, warrior 3. Exhale, step it down. Inhale, arms high. Exhale, lean forward. Inhale, warrior 3. Exhale, step it down. Inhale, arms high. Exhale, lean forward. Inhale, warrior 3. Exhale, step it down. Now hands to your hips, bring your torso upright. And then interlace your fingers. Now find the interlace that feels strange. Bring the palms together, shoulders pulled back, chest open. And let's take this into the back leg. So lower the right knee down as low as you can. So keep yourself upright. And then pulse here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back up. Hands to the floor. Step it back to down dog. Now you can stay here, pedal out. You can continue with something else. But that is pretty much the warm-up sequence. So thank you very much.